conversion. As we all know, XML is a powerful markup language that allows us to structure and organize data in a flexible and efficient manner. It plays a crucial role in various industries, including software development and content management and data integration. Just I'll give introduction. After that, we'll go to the practical. Okay. To make our XML conversion process even smoother and more efficient, I have acquired the necessary tools and applications. And the best part, I have obtained a license for these tools, which means we can utilize them without any limitations or restrictions. With these tools at our disposal, we can streamline our XML conversion tasks and ensure accuracy and consistency throughout the process. This will not only save us time but also enhance the quality of our final deliverables. If you have any questions or need assistance with using these tools, feel free to reach out to me. Okay. Let's make the most of this opportunity and take our XML conversion projects to new heights. One second. First of all, why we are using ebook conversion? See, in ebook conversion also some people they'll use XML conversion and some other like EPUB. That one also one type of ebook conversion only. But here now we are doing XML conversion. And why we are using ebook conversion? Okay. uh, are you tired of struggling to distribute your content digitally? Look no further. Our ebook conversion service is the ultimate solution for authors and publishers and business like by converting your content into an ebook format. You can effortlessly distribute it across multiple platforms, reaching a wider audience and maximizing your reach. With our user friendly platform and experienced team of professionals, we ensure that your content is seamlessly transformed into a visually appealing and interactive ebook, whether it's a novel, guidebook, even a catalog. Our conversion service guarantees that our content will shine in the digital realm. But that's not all. Our ebook conversion service also offers additional features such as layout customization and interactive elements and integration and even embedding multimedia content. This means that you can create an immersive reading experience for your audience, enhancing their engagement and making a lasting impression. And here, introducing a comprehensive suite of tools to supercharge your productivity and unleash your creativity. Our collection includes First one is Abe Fine Reader and Epsilon Editor and Photoshop, MS Office and Math Type Tool and Oxygen Editor. And Winrar also we will use for zipping the files, and I'll give the explanation. These softwares we will use for this project. In this, first one is Abe Fine Reader. Why we are using Abe Fine Reader? See, we'll get some input files from the client. The two, it will come in the PDF format. So when we'll receive PDF format files, first we need to convert those PDF format to other document. Transform scan documents into editable and sketchable files effortlessly. And Epsilon also, see, nowadays everyone is using different editors, but here I'll prefer Epsilon editor. By using this Epsilon editor, take your design skills to the next level with this powerful graphic editing software. And one more editor also we will use here, and that one is Oxygen editor. Oxygen also streamline your XML authoring and publishing process with this feature rich XML editor. One second. And next, Photoshop. So we'll receive some input files, right? In that input files, we'll get some images. So for that images, Photoshop is required to crop the images, and we need to save the files. This Photoshop also we can edit and enhance and manipulate images like a pro with the industry leading software. And next one is MS Office. MS Office also nowadays everyone is using, and we can by using this MS Office. Some hmm. By using this MS Office, we can create professional documents and spreadsheets and presentations with the trusted Microsoft Office suite. And one more is Math Type Tool. So same in input file. we'll get input files, right? In that we'll get some equations, mathematical equations also will get it, and chemical equations also will get it. So for that equations we have to define the equation in that math type tool. And by using this math type tool we can simplify mathematical notation in your documents and equations with this intuitive tool. Okay, and one more is WinRAR. So WinRAR also we can easily we can compress the files and encrypt the data and extract the files to save space and keep your data secure. So for these tools, first we have to set up all the things. After that, we can start the process. So for these things, I'll provide links. So you guys need to install in your machines. And one more also we will use Reader, Adobe Acrobat 7.0 version. Yeah, Kaushik, I have shared the links in chat box. Uh, Please save the links and start to download all the softwares
Okay, okay, ma'am.
and share your screen. And download first one. Abhay find later.
Ma'am, I have already downloaded this all software.
Okay. 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 Fine. Fine. Okay then.
Okay.
Okay. Stop your screen. I'll share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
In XML also we'll get different projects. Here now we are going to do Strive project. So for that one they'll give some instructions. They'll provide first of all instructions and validate a file, and sample files also they will provide. In that also math project will get it and non-math also will get it. So first I'll explain about non-math files. Okay. Hmm. Like this we will get it. So first we have to convert. Open this PDF document. This is Epsilon editor. Did you install Epsilon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Epsilon install.
Okay, fine. Just open the PDF document. In this, just go to file option and save as. Here in save as tab, plain text we need to save. Just save the file. Here we'll get one txt file. Just open this txt file. Mx enter. Just rename it. And here first we need to create a folder. Shift plus C09. Folder structure should be like this only. C09. Enter. And inside this folder, this text file. First we will rename it mx enter xml C09 only. File name also same thing. Enter. mq enter C09. Just open this file. Here dot xml is there. Open this text file or xml file. Here lot of spaces are there. So manually we can do, but it will take time. So here replacement we can use alt r, shift enter and normal enter. In width place shift enter and enter and press comma to checking the process. It's removing the spaces, new line spaces. So direct shift 1 42 and save the file. Control X. Yes. Like this only. Again same process. shift enter, shift enter, enter, shift enter, enter, shift 1, alt R, shift enter, enter, shift 1, shift enter, shift 1, 0 of 0, and save the file. Control X, yes, and alt down arrow. To identify the entities. So first we need to press Control S, Control T, hash 125 hyphen hash 255 and enter. Here is the entity. So for this one we need to give the code. For each symbol the code will be different. First we need to identify the entity code. Just copy the symbol and open Word document and paste it here and select it and press Alt X. Then we'll get the code 2014. Here entities also three types it will be there. Entities are three types. One is Unicode entities and second one is decimal codes and third one is named entities. Three types it will be there. Here for this project we have to use named entities. So this one is Unicode entity. How to identify the name entities? I'll give you the list. So you guys need to follow. That's it. Okay. See, generally in every document we'll get these symbols. One is hyphen. This is big hyphen. So for big hyphen we will call M dash. M dash. And here phone symbol is there. And apostrophe. Here hyphens. And double quotes, single quotes. Here double quotes. For each code will be different. So for ampersand Hmm. Here, just go to insert symbols and more symbols. Here, font is normal text, and in from three things it will be there: hexadecimal, decimal, and one more. This one also hexadecimal only, but here name entities are not there. First we have to give unicode entities. See here, for and symbol 0026, this is the code. And for this one, name entity ampersand amp semicolon we have to use. And left side code ampersand hash x 2018. This is this is for left side code, single quote. And for right side, ampersand hash x 2019 for right side. And for single quote, ampersand hash x 0027, ampersand hash x, and left side double quote 201c. And for right side, ampersand hash x 201d, capital D. And for n dash, ampersand hash x 2013. And minus, for minus, ampersand hash x 2212. And for m dash, ampersand hash x 2014. And 2026 for triple dots. Generally, we will use these entities in every document. So first we will replace. Here M dash is there. Just select the symbol, Alt R, enter, ampersand. This is M dash. So ampersand M dash and semicolon. This is name entity. Enter. Shift 1. Okay. And again Control S, Control T, Control S. Enter. And this is single quote. And that to right side it is there. Just select like this, Alt R, enter, and with place also space. And for single quote, that to right side is there. Right side single quote QUO, enter. That's it. Only two it is there. Again Control S, Control T, Control S, and enter. And here double quotes are there. Just select double quote and space, Alt R, enter, and in with place also space. For a double quote in name entity ampersand left side and double quote QUO, enter. And one more is right side, Alt R, enter, space, right side double quote, save the file, Control X, yes. Again Control S, Control T, Control S, enter. And here apostrophe, this is apostrophe children's. So Alt R, enter, ampersand APOS, space and comma, space and comma. So It's replacing perfectly. So shift 1. Control X, yes. Again, Control S, Control T, Control S and enter. And here N dash is there. First we'll check the code, hexadecimal code. Copy the entity and paste it here. Paste it in the Word document. Select the symbol and press Alt X 2013. So this is N dash. Select the symbol and Alt R, enter. So in name entity N dash, N dash, enter. That's it. Again, Control S, Control T, Control S. Now it is showing not found and failing. It is showing forward and reverse search. We have to do. Now we have replaced all the entities and ampersand is there. So Control S space and symbol space. See here. Select like this. Alt or enter space space here AMP semicolon. That's it. Okay. Now we'll replace paragraphs. Alt R, Shift enter, enter. Here first we have to use para tag, para closing tag and Shift enter and para opening tag XML colon ID equal to. Here first we have to use chapter number. What is the chapter number? C09. C09 hyphen. This is para, right? So in the ID we have to use para. And after that hyphen 000 and enter. Now we'll check the process. Press comma, it's replacing perfectly, and press space bar and comma. Yeah, it's coming properly. So we can use shift 1. Alt down arrow. In the ending, extra tag it will be there. Just cut it. Select the tag. Control W and Alt upper arrow and paste it here and save the file. Control X, yes. Control X, yes. See, end of the paragraph, we have single space. So we have to remove this space. End of the line or paragraph. We have extra space. See here. In every paragraph, spaces are there. End of the paragraph. So we have to remove. This one also, just select closing para tag and space. When we'll replace, on that time we have to select from right side. Alt R, copy, enter and just give closing para tag. Enter. Shift 1. Save the file. See here, dots are there. First we have to check in the main document. See in this chapter. After that, here taking the kids along is there. Before this content dot is there. So because of this symbol, dot is there. So we don't want this dot and paragraph. So we'll remove it. Select the para, alt R, enter and remove. Shift 1 and save the file. Alt text HTML mode. Now I'll explain about PDF. See, we'll get input files, right? Here, chapter label and chapter title, and after that, in this chapter, like this, we will get it. Whenever we'll get these symbols and these symbols, square symbols also will get it, and bullets also will get it. And that time, we have to take as list code. See, in HTML, we will use OL and UL, and LI also we will use for each item. Here the coding will be different. I'll tell you later. So for this one we have to code as list format. And here if you have a special needs like that, some paragraph is there. So for this one paragraph tags we need to apply. And here heading levels are there. And this one is H1 level. H1 level, and this one also H1 level, H1 level, H1 level. And that's it. Only 6 pages are there. Further, we'll get PDF files. We'll get PDF format files like this only. In this chapter, only H1 levels are there. Heading levels, and these and all paragraphs. See, in middle of the paragraph and section, some watermarks are coming. So we have, if you want to remove those watermarks, see in this Adobe Acrobat Professional, here tools option it will be there. Just click on that, click on tools and go to advanced editing. In that touch up object tool it will be there. Just choose that option and click here. We'll get one blue color border will get it. Blue color border will get it, and delete. It will remove those watermarks. Just click it and delete. Just click it and delete. delete. That's it. And save it. Control S. And here some inline images are coming. So no need to crop those images. Simply we have to use the code. That's it. And bolds also will get it. Whenever we'll get highlighted content, for that content we have to apply bold tags. And here website links also will get it. So we have to give the website link. Website links will get it. Bold and italics also will get it. Entities and heading levels and list format also will get it. Here bold and italic both fonts are there. Next one is paragraphs, list format, tables, figures, equations, sidebars, numbered figure and unnumbered figure. Inline images and links also internal and external links and external links also we will use. And references, bolds and italics and the small caps, fixed cases, questions and answers. Question and answers. In every PDF, we'll get these things. I'll show you some different ones. See some places, parts and chapters, everything will get it. So for that things we have to provide a links. I'll tell you later. And here italics are there. See here, this one is H1 level, H1 level, H2 level, and this one also H2, H2 level, H2, and again H1 level is there, and here also H1 level, H1 and H2, H1. Some more PDFs will get H3 levels also. Just we need to identify the font sizes. According to that, we need to divide the levels. See, like this also will get it boxes. H1 and H2 level, and this one is list. This one also list. See here, degree is there. So we have to give the degree. And this one is M dash and this is N dash. Here also N dash, N dash. So here tables are there. So like this tables also will get it. And here inline images. Sidebars, list format. And here also tables. In tables also two types will get it. Numbered table and unnumbered table. inline images, number table. And here also fonts are coming differently. So we have to give font families. We have to use font families for those website links. I think already I have explained in this one. Yeah, that's it. And I'll show you math type files. For math type files, like this, we'll get it. And figures and equations. Figures, heading levels, sidebars, and list format and heading level 3. This one, heading level 3, and second is this one. This is first heading level. Heading level 1, heading level 2, and heading level 3. Figures 2 and 3. And figures. Equations. These and all equations only. And this one also figure. After this, and this one also heading level 1. Heading level 1. Test your skills. And list format we have to use. And here unnumbered table is there. So we have to code as table. And this one also unnumbered figure. And list format. And here also table format only. List inside the table. Unnumbered table. Like this we'll get the input files. So we have to convert from PDF to .xml format. In XML format, coding will be different. In instruction folder also, they'll give art processing work instruction and graphics, XLS, and instruction PDF also they'll provide. So we have to open the PDF file and we need to go through the guidelines. Say different elements they have used. So in the training period, we'll explain everything. See here, element naming follows some general rules. Elements relating to a specific topic have the same prefix so that they sort together. See, we have to use the tags like this. Usually, we will use lowercase, but here it's not like that. List after that, initial caps we have to use. List paid, title group, funding agency, funding number, and funding info, everything. I'll provide you this instruction document. Just go through it. And this is the structure of the book. Tomorrow I'll explain about these things. In Epsilon, almost 50 plus shortcut keys we will use. I don't know how much you are familiar with Epsilon tool. See in this shortcut keys, how many of you know these shortcut keys? Kaushik,
Yes, madam. We know, but some are different. If we know, some of the shortcuts are different.
just to see the list.
Okay, madam.
Drive, you know, right? Opening the drive. Uh, Kaushik, can you hear me?
Nice, madam.
Okay.
Control X D for the open drive.
Open the drive. Open the drive.
Now, madam.
Okay, I don't know. See, after opening Epsilon, just use Control X and press D, single D. Here it will ask for the path, edit directory. So here you can open any drive. Uh, for example, C drive. Just give C colon slash and enter. It will open C drive path. Okay, Control X D, and after that uh, D drive, D colon slash and enter. See, directory of D colon slash, and this one is D drive, and same thing, Control X D. If you have I means you can use I also. In my mission only three drives are there, C D G G drive. See here, two dots are there. Just press the cursor and press B. It will open Explorer, G drive, Anil folder. See, in my mission only three drives are there. C, G, and D, and D drive. D drive, whatever the files and folders are available, everything it will show in the Epsilon editor. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Drive. And next, folder creation. Do you know the shortcut key?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. File creation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think you guys are using options, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And rename.
Yes, ma'am. We all know this except bookmarking and mark
Bookmark.
set. Mark set and
Okay.
bookmarking.
Mark set and bookmarking. Okay. Next, I'll explain tomorrow.
Okay.
Hmm. Uh, next, just tell me the keys. Just see the list. Bookmark and mark set, and after that, just see here. Jumping.
No, ma'am. Jumping. We don't know this all.
Okay. And start macro and close macro.
No, ma'am.
And exert search.
No, ma'am.
Yep.
Save.
Epsilon searching.
Yes, ma'am. We know.
Okay. And save the buffer and use the buffer.
No, ma'am.
Okay. PDF searching.
No, ma'am.
And this one, cursor moving.
We know it.
Okay. Okay.
One more
One
selection.
word selection.
Yes,
Para
ma'am.
selection. Color mode.
No, madam. Calm.
Okay. Okay. And narrative reason.
Yes, ma'am. We know it.
Okay.
Back to now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm.
Start, close, macro, reader.
Oh, okay. I'll explain. Don't worry. And copy paste cut. I think.
Yes, ma'am.
And line number and column number.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And view to the file.
Yes, ma'am. We know.
Okay. And go to page number in PDF.
No, ma'am. We don't.
Okay. And splitting windows.
We know, ma'am.
Okay. Cursor file starting. And line wrap and word wrapping
No, ma'am. We don't know.
and
Enter.
run the macro. This one also I left that. And undo and redo.
Yes. No, ma'am.
Okay. In PDF image zooming. And refreshment.
We know, ma'am.
Okay. Copying one file to another file.
Yes, ma'am. We know. Copying. The moving we know, ma'am. Copying don't.
Okay.
For move the file.
Okay. Paste the file in the folder means see. If you want to paste the file means just open this Anil folder and here two dots are there. Just press V. It will open Explorer, Direct Explorer. Simply you can paste it or you can copy. You can identify the folder and file, right? In Epsilon.
No, color.
What is the file and folder? How will identify? See, after creating folder in Epsilon, green color it will show. That one is folder. When it will show blue color, that one is file. Like that, we can identify the files. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, today whatever I have explained, understood, right? Any questions?
Madam, will you provide these codes for the single code, double code, or
Sure, sure. I'll provide. I'll provide.
okay?
Today I'll give you the task and I'll give you the files also. Just convert from PDF to text file, and in the text file you have to replace all the entities. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll send it this GIF file to ma'am. She will share with you. Okay, I want to list right.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts in today's session? Nothing, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay then. Yeah, I have shared the files. She will share with you. Please practice, guys. Whatever I'll explain in the session in the afternoon, you guys need to practice. End of the training, I'll provide a sample file. You guys need to complete the sample file and you guys need to send back to me and I'll give the feedback for those completed sample files.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Can
ma'am.
we delete the entities?
Yes. In today's task, just you guys need to just replace the entities.
Only quotes and paragraph tag.
Yes.
Bold italic, we don't.
No. Here we will give by manually.
Okay,
I'll tell you. Don't worry.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, guys. We'll close the meeting. Tomorrow, 10 o'clock, same time. Okay, 10 to 12.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.